भाजपांतल्या दोन मंत्र्यांमदीं खुर्चे खातीरच्या चलिल्ल्या झगड्यांचेर लोकांचें दुर्लक्ष जावचें देखून भाजपा काँग्रेसी कडेन बोटां दाखयता अशी खर टिका काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी कॅप्टन विरियतो फर्नांडिसान भाजपाचेर केली। भाजपाचो एक मंत्री भायर सरलो जाल्यार तो ताच्या वांगडा 5 जाणांक घेवन भायर सरतलो हें तांकां खबर आसा। देखून ते काँग्रेसीच्या 5 जाणांक टार्गेट करतात अशें काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकारान म्हटलें। तशेंच भाजपाचे 5 जाण काँग्रेसीन येवपाची शक्यताय आशिल्ल्याचें पाटकारान सांगलें। इतले मजगतीं दिगंबर कामत ह्या दिसांनी इनएक्टिव्ह कित्याक आसा अशें विचारल्यार ही वेंचणूक ताच्या फुडारपणा खाला जाल्ली आनी सरकार स्थापन करपाक मेळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान ते मातशे निरशेल्यात आनी देखून मातशे इनएक्टिव्ह आशिल्ल्याचें पाटकारान ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
Question is based on some speculation and rumors that are going on. Now the thing is, this is a classic tactic of the BJP. तांच्या पार्टीन इतली झगडी जाल्ली आसा, दोग जाण सेम खुर्चेक सीएमाच्या खुर्चेक झगडटात and to divert the attention they are looking at Congress. 11 MLA आसा तांचे कडेन हात लावपाक जायना। एका पार्टीचे दोनूच आसा तांकां हात लायना ते 11 आसा थाचे उलयता। दिस इज ओनली टू डायवर्ट। कितली प्रॉब्लेम आसा, प्राइस राइज, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, क्राइम, ड्रग्स, हे डायवर्ट करपाक ते 5 आयले 6 आयले आमचे इंटेक आसा।
Whatever statement CT Ravi has made and as pointed out by our leader, problem is they are scared that तांचे 5 जण होता, so that's why they are targeting more 5. This is the real story. To tell you, there's so much of infighting between them, two leaders, that one guy knows that 5 will go with him. I don't want to comment on that, but the reality is तांची चूक लिपोवपाक they are just trying to fool the public and people of Goa and try to create disharmony among workers of Congress. But the real fact is, I think 5 of their MLAs are looking to shift pastures. Probably that's why they want another 5. They are 20, they are 20 as of now. So there are 5 goals. They go, they don't get the numbers. So to save that, they are probably trying to poach another 5. I think you have asked this question yesterday to our desk in charge. He has told you also. He has met him also, and he was there in our function. He is not there. He was not there. He was there. He has guided us the other day. So he is a senior leader. See, ultimately yesterday Dinesh ji has told you that this election was fought under his leadership. There was a wave of Congress and we couldn't get those numbers, so he's little hurt on that.